Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix unsupported GPU processing mode error in DaVinci Resolve. Let's fix it guys. You just need to check my video description for this link used in my video. You just need to download the GPU detect.dll file, select the download option and download it. After getting download done, you just need to click on it and select download unverified file. After getting download done, select show in folder. And now right click on the GPU detect.dll file and select copy it. After copying the file, just close it off here. Now right click on the DaVinci Resolve on the desktop shortcut and select open file location. Now in here you need to right click on the blank area and select paste it. Select replace the file in the destination. Select continue. This file is taken from an old version of DaVinci Resolve guys. This is not a thread file. After pasting it, just close up here, and now you can open the DaVinci Resolve and check if the problem solved or not. I hope this solution fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.